I'm Michelle and this is Rachel. Welcome to Asphodel.
大家好，欢迎来到 Asphodel。这是 Michelle， 还有我是 Rachel。
Today's workout is called Let's Go Camping.
大家一起去露营。
And today you need a backpack and a towel or some books where you can throw into your backpack to make it a little bit more challenging.
所以今天的运动，我们需要一个背包，还有一些书本或毛巾，然后我们可以把这些塞在背包里加重。
Yeah. So the workout today is 4 rounds, 4圈，有3个不同的动作。第一个是 back squat with your backpack on your back. 第二个是 burpee over your backpack. And 第三个是 what's 第三个 Russian twist. Russian twist.
Yep.
So let's have a look. Back squat. Let's have a look at Rachel. 眼睛看一下 Rachel. 你的背包在你的背后。Okay. Feet shoulder width apart. Arms out in the air. And 深蹲。And then stand up. 这是1，这是2。你要做10次。你要做10次。Okay. Tall chest. Okay. 然后第二个动作是把背包放在地上。It's burpee over 你的背包。So watch Rachel. Burpee from one side. Chest on the ground, push up, jump up, and jump over. 2 feet together. 跳过你的背包，这是2，这是3，你一共要做10次。然后最后一个动作是 Russian twist. 你把你的背包放在地上 ，Rachel 坐在地上 ，OK？ 然后呢，你的脚要 hover 在背包的上面，不要碰到背包。
对
，OK？ 手并起来 ，and then you're gonna twist side to side. Stay tight. Don't rock the boat. 10次，一共10次。
一共做10次。
对，这是1圈 ，right？ 你一共要做4圈。Tell me how long it takes. So let's work out together for the first round with you. All right. The first one is back squat.